Hey guys, welcome to JPT. I'm Carson G and this is Just Plain Tech. In today's video, I have this Dell Optiplex 745 that a friend gave to me so I could fix it up for them. It has been sitting in a garage for years and we are just gonna clean it out. We're gonna get all their personal information off it, like all their pictures and movies and music and whatnot. We're gonna get all that stuff off it. And then we're just going to clean it off and install a nice Linux distribution on here. Alright, so right here is the Dell Optiplex 745. So I have it hooked up and everything. I'm gonna turn it on and let's see what we get. Oh yay, we already ran into a problem. Isn't that nice? Alright. This computer has an add-in graphics card, but the monitor cable is plugged into the integrated video connector. To attach the monitor to the monitor cable to the add-in graphics card, shut down the computer, plug in the monitor cable into the add-in graphics card connector. This may require a video adapter or video adapter cable. Well, I actually don't know what that adapter is and I can't find it. So we don't actually have that adapter. So what we're gonna do is switch to the integrated graphics. I'm gonna have to open it up to take that graphics card out and hopefully that should solve the problem. Alright, so we need to get into the inside. This thing seems to do something, so I'm just gonna, okay, that was really easy. Alright, so I have this little screwdriver that seems to fit over here. I'll bring it out. Alright. Oh, so this is the release tab. Oh, okay. So now we press that release tab, and now we remove the graphics card. There we go! We have removed the graphics card. Alright, so we are here on the system setup in the BIOS. 64-bit technology, yes. Right here, so it will run a 64-bit operating system. That's good to know. Memory info. Installed memory 1 GB. That's it. Primary video. So auto is used to add-in video controller, but we do not have an add-in video controller, so we're gonna switch it to onboard or card. So we will do that. And we'll just click escape. Save, exit, new sequence. U and D will change the order. USB device, we'll just put that all the way up. So, what does space do? Oh, so we have to press space to include it, to be bootable. Okay, there we go. Now that should work, hopefully. So I formatted Puppy Linux 32-bit on this computer. I don't plan on running it. I plan to get at least some other Linux distribution running on it, but we're just gonna use this to get all their personal data onto this hard drive. Alright, so we're in the Puppy Linux live CD. Alright, so now I think we can just go to here, utilities, file system, P mount, this 74 GB disk, we're gonna mount that, and here we have everything. Here, I'm gonna plug in my USB drive so we can go ahead and start copying everything over before we actually install a Linux distribution on here. so this one we will mount. And as you can see, it has literally nothing on it. It's supposed to be like that. So we'll go here, documents and settings, all users, there we go. Application data, desktop, no. Dude. Documents, so we'll want to copy that over. Copy. Alright, here we are on the Ubuntu install DVD, so we'll just select the language, install Ubuntu, install Lubuntu. And I guess we'll click English again. Yes. Alright. So once it's done that, it'll move on. Alright, we just click continue. We just do not configure the network at this time. Hostname. Continue. And we will use the entire disk. Well, yes. And there, it should install Ubuntu for us. Alright. So here you can click yes or no, depending on if you want grub. So here you can choose whatever you want. In my case, I'm going to do local time. So I'll do no. And the installation is complete. So now we'll finish up the installation. And it will reboot into our new installation. And now we're gonna put the finishing touches, and one of them is cleaning it. But this thing is extremely dusty, so I don't have any canned air, so I got a cheap alternative, the leaf blower. Oh man. Wipe it down with some Clorox wipes. The leaf blower got most of it, but you know, there's still some on the sides and everything. Now this other panel over here that we took off earlier because we had to remove the graphics card. Just give this panel a quick wipe down. And now we can turn the computer over. Should go on this way. So I'm just put it right back in. There we go. All fixed up, ready to go. An old computer that now can live a new life. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you had a great time watching it. Please make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell down below if you haven't already. We'll see you next time.